In this video, you're going to learn 10 new buzzwords related to talking about your customers. The first buzzword is customer-centric. This means to be focused on meeting customer needs and expectations. An example sentence is, we're shifting to a customer-centric business model. In the following conversation, Dan uses the buzzword customer-centric to stress company priorities.
We must be more customer-centric this quarter.
What changes do you suggest first?
Start with faster response times.
That should improve satisfaction quickly.
Training the team will help too.
Let's brief everyone today.
The second buzzword is customer journey. This means the process a customer goes through when interacting with a brand. An example sentence is, mapping the customer journey helps identify opportunities for improvement. In the second conversation, Ruth mentions this buzzword when reviewing the sales process.
Our customer journey feels confusing right now.
Where do users get stuck?
Mostly after the first demo.
We can simplify the follow-up emails.
That should guide them better.
I'll create the steps today.
Touchpoints is the third buzzword related to customers. This means any interaction between a brand and a customer. An example sentence is, improving our touchpoints enhances loyalty. Dan mentions touchpoints during the following marketing review.
We need stronger touchpoints with our clients.
Which channels matter most?
Email and live chat are key.
Our chat team needs more staff.
Agreed. Response time is slow.
I'll prepare a proposal.
The fourth buzzword related to customers is personalization. This means tailoring products, services, or messages to match each customer's needs or preferences. An example sentence is, we improved sales by adding personalization to our email campaigns. Ruth now uses this buzzword to suggest better targeting of customers.
Personalization will boost our conversion rates.
How can we personalize more?
Use customer purchase history.
That data is already available.
Then we should use it properly.
I'll talk to IT.
Number 5 is customer retention. This means keeping existing customers over time. An example sentence is, improving customer retention is cheaper than acquiring new ones. Dan uses this buzzword when discussing long-term growth in the following short conversation.
Customer retention must be our main goal.
I agree. New sales are slowing down.
Keeping clients is cheaper than finding new ones.
Loyalty rewards could help.
Good idea. Let's design a plan.
I'll draft some options.
Number 6 is pain points. These are specific problems experienced by customers. An example sentence is, we designed this app to solve the key pain points in travel booking. In the following conversation about feedback analysis, Ruth uses this buzzword.
These surveys reveal major pain points.
What issues appear most often?
Slow onboarding and unclear pricing.
We must fix onboarding fast.
I'll update the guides.
Let's test the new version.
Number 7 is value proposition. This is the clear reason why a customer should choose your product or service instead of others. An example sentence is, our value proposition focuses on saving clients time and reducing costs. Dan uses this buzzword when discussing how to stand out from competitors.
Our value proposition isn't clear to new customers.
They don't see why we're different.
We offer faster setup than competitors.
Then we should say that everywhere.
I'll update the website today.
I'll review the changes later.
Customer feedback is the 8th customer buzzword, and it includes comments, opinions, and suggestions that customers share about your product or service. An example sentence is, "We use customer feedback to improve our support process." Ruth uses this buzzword while reviewing recent survey results.
Customer feedback shows declining satisfaction.
That's worrying for contract renewals.
Most complaints are about slow replies.
We need clearer response rules.
Training could fix many issues.
Let's start that this week.
The 9th customer-related buzzword is service level agreement. This is a formal document that defines the service standards a company promises to meet, such as response times and availability. An example sentence is, "Our service level agreement states that we reply to all tickets within 2 hours." Dan uses this buzzword while reviewing service performance with his team.
Our service level agreement isn't being met.
Which targets are failing this month?
First response time is too slow.
We need more support agents.
I'll request extra budget today.
I'll share the latest report.
The 10th and final buzzword is customer satisfaction. This describes how happy customers are with your product or service. An example sentence is, "Customer satisfaction improved after we reduced delivery times." Ruth uses this buzzword in the following conversation.
Customer satisfaction dropped last month.
That's not good for renewals.
Delivery delays caused many complaints.
Operations must speed up.
I'll meet the logistics team today.
Please update me tomorrow.
We will now do a quick review of the 10 buzzwords we looked at in this video. Number 1 is customer centric. Number 2 is customer journey. Number 3 is touch points. Number 4 is personalization. Number 5 is customer retention. Number 6 is pain points. Number 7 is value proposition. Number 8 is customer feedback. Number 9 is service level agreement. And number 10 is customer satisfaction. If you're a business professional who wants to speak English more confidently at work or when you travel, get our free 7-day mini course called 7 Ways to Instantly Boost Your Business English. You can enroll in this course by clicking on the link in the description below. That's it for this video. If you think any of the buzzwords or phrases we looked at in this video will come in handy at work or in your business, please let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.